I mean, bro, more I'm strap, bro. I have to do my thing.
Alright, see it up.
Yeah. Silent battle. No one see. Them only see the uniform. Them never see the broken man. Me fought a war they never knew. Gone near, but soul they far. Big man crying with invisible scars. Me out there, spirit weak. Every night, the demons speak. Fallen soldier, distant memory. Because of the madness, me woman gone. Me turn from a loving man to a rumba. Glassing up, fi try numb the pain. Friend turn snake, life collapse. Just disappear, just like that. One wrong move, everything shift. No, me stuck in a this empty abyss. Yeah. Them say, hold on, better days will come. But every night me fight like this one, I go down. Every night me fight like this one, I go down. Every night me fight like this one, I go down. Me fought a war, they never knew. Gone near, but
Broski, walk on.
Yes, broski.
Why? Hey, look, someone. You look worried.
You're the most worried.
How you gonna know?
You get enlisted for figure war.
Yeah, da, me get it to brother. So where are we about, bro?
Right now, I'm not going, you know.
Where me no go,
You
dog?
never sign up for that.
No, dog, you
Sign up for
can't.
the army.
Listen, I say, bro, you can't do that, bro. You have to go, brother. From get picked, bro, you have to go.
Remember, say Sarge say, you know, if you're not willing to go, you have to spend 90 days of a red fence.
So what really make you not want to go?
I'm not willing for dead. Because next thing you must get that fight when you come back. Look much soldiers up on the road now, mad out. PTSD, all them something there. You ready for that?
No, you can't think about that, brother.
When we come back from war, you guarantee. So we go on pension and at all, who will take care of you? Your wife will take care of you?
You know, say, bro, we have to make sense for true. Because we can go where we lose our life, you know, brother. But since as you enlightened that to me, bro, I feel like I'm going to talk to Sergeant, bro, to take me off our list, you know.
Broski, it makes sense to talk to Sarge, you know. Remember, say, I'm a higher rank than we, you know. I say, I'm a alpha and we are omega, you know. But I have an idea. You have to chat to him real way.
I talk to him, see, because remember saying that my father did in the army much in years, you know, bro. So he probably sit with me and take me off our list still, you know. So I give him a talk still. You see it. So if you want to take 90 days, you take 90 days, bro. Me not take it.
Me taking 90 days still.
Well, you take 90 days, so can you take? Can you take? Me not take 90 days, bro.
Alright.
Well, last time I talked to you, man.
I don't know. With the era we him, they know him can't really use phone, so barely.
When I have plan for this, you know, I could get one divorce.
How much time you want we talk about this? Left him why we I do this and when I get catching up possible for him know so why me gonna leave him. And this temporary, no offense, but we just a kill time because him barely have time, so why me gonna leave him?
I'm glad how you said that, you know. You know, see him for how much months you barely talk to him over the phone. And see, from when me see on the news, they say they go deploy some Jamaicans if go fight in a war with America and Iran. So hopefully in dead.
The backside, nigga. You see, in line, Mama have. Yes, something in boundary. You can't say that. Because at the end of the day, I'm married to this man. And I love this man, not because me a cheat.
Babes, if you really love him, you would have never cheat on him. So it don't really matter. Me think if you just get a divorce and leave him. You understand? And hopefully they ship him out and he dead. As me said.
Nicoy, How much time we gonna go over this? You need to stop to them something here. But this dead thing, stop. At the end of the day, we're married. So if him dead, me go lose a husband. You know, feel like me go feel away about that?
Babes, just listen to me now. When you think about it, you know, I'm me did affair, you know. 24/7, you know. And me should I be your husband? The way how me take care of you. You come like a him my side man or a me I main man.
Only because he's busy. Why we are talk about Delroy over and over and over again? Every single time I come up here, I just Delroy. Just cut it out now, man.
Alright.
Capo, want me help you?
No, man, everything good, man.
Really, the one favor, but tell you the truth, I have something really I want to talk to you about, so, like the whole deployment thing. I'm really think about it. I don't think I really want to go still. Some of the money could have just push a door for me, cannot.
Private. We have to help out in the Middle East, private. You understand?
I understand why you say still.
Private. You are going over there to fight the war. You know there is no negotiation. You're going over there. So why you coming here acting like a young girl?
But Capo, the thing is, I must have my wife and my yard and all some money.
We all have wives.
But
we all have families.
Capo, I must say my father have a good relationship, you know.
This man
Must
telling me
can't
about
pull a
his
string from
father.
him.
Your father have nothing to do with this, private. Right? You are going to the Middle East. This is what you sign up for. Represent your country and serve.
Understand. I have one more thing. I can just beg you, I can go spend some time with my wife and my mother.
No, that is a given. So you're going to get to go and see your wife and your children and your family and your girlfriend and everybody. You can go and see them. But it's one day. And then you come back right here. You understand?
Alright then, Capo. So I just get my thing, man.
Get yourself to order, man. Get your mind together. You're a soldier.
Yes, sir. Mommy, what?
Jesus Christ. You living? How long me no see you? So you surprise me so. No, come here, man. Come here, my son. Wait, turn up. Turn on, but you put on weight. Put on your back. Go and get out.
No.
Wait, you're there on vacation now, you come to spend time with me.
No, you know, say, I just one day I get from work.
One day.
You know what's happening?
One day.
One day. Because our son is on till us still.
Eh?
Our son is on till us.
How are you physic?
One of them will get picked for deploy go over the Middle East.
So the people them in Jamaica now, they get big and large, huge. They must send no go figure fight war. Look how we country small. Normally me know say they wanna take you and send you in a some little community, you know? Or some different parish. You understand what I say?
I'm really unsure I really want to go. Because the war have nothing to do with me. Nothing at all.
Then the people them out there can go fight war. Can you fight?
Mama, what you mean? I must be in the army, you know.
That not
And we get trained for the thing there.
Jamaican training different from American training. You can manage war. Why you never tell them say you can go? You're my only son.
I want to tell him still, to be honest, I want to tell him still, but I'm a job.
Well, are you choose to go turn soldier, you know, that you did say all your life you want to turn soldier. Anyway, I go pray for you. I wish you all the best. But make sure say, before you go join the war, pray first before you enter.
I'm going to pray, man. Some of my ear mind for me still. Because since I was the one day I'm there for, but I have in mind, I said, I just go up a brand and look for her, make sure you know what is what. And then a little later in the night we have dinner or something. So I just get yourself ready. And stop worrying, man, can you get my effort some more, man? Alright.
I want son me have. You know, so you don't realize what you do with yourself? Because of work where you choose to do.
I understand, woman, I understand, but what can I do again?
Anyway, I'm pray for you. Alright. Come. Cause only God know everything. Me not know everything. Anyway. Mighty God, as I come before you with my son today, I'm asking you please to cover him under your blood. From the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. Guide him through that battalion there, a war of people where I'm going to enter, if go fight. Please, Lord, may I ask you to protect him and don't make nothing bad happen to him. Please. Every limb when leave from Jamaica with, make him come back with it in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thanks. So obviously just get yourself ready. I'm gonna pick it back later, alright?
Cha-cha. Girl.
Stress out, don't. Oh, did. Fletcher! How about you?
Bro,
Oh, dog. Been a while, bro. I'm not see you, brother.
you see how long it take me to pick you up, brother?
Got a foolish one. Don't talk like you're a fool, brother.
Bro, me did hear say you're a soldier, you know, but me never believe until now, you know.
Yeah, bro, I just say things set, dog. I see it.
So what you do there in that place now?
You know, it's a big mountain here, so one day I get still.
See,
So I can look for my lady and go look for mother while and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I don't want what you call boy Nikolai today, but so all the time I catch up on me, bro.
you rate them man, the brother.
Let me know rate him, dog, and all of us go to school together, bro.
Brother, them the man they love look man, girl.
Oh, so I'm gonna believe that, brother. Believe that, dog.
I'm say you know me long time, you know. You're not really there if you know what going on, you know.
You look for your woman?
No, brother, then the man they can't look my woman, brother.
So, I say, brother, you can't say anything, dog, and the man not look for your woman, bro. What you really do for yourself for now?
What me?
Yeah, because the army are recruit and one thing, you know, so I can get in for anything, you know.
Oh, sir, I'm a good man. Yeah, in chopper now, brother.
End chop on her?
Yeah.
What kind of
Self-employed, bro.
What kind of business is that there?
Sell egg.
Egg. So, a business that make money?
I mean, if business I make money, bro.
Long story short, bro. They on a mission for that day, bro. Come just there for a day.
See it, man. I'm glad to see you alright, you know.
I'm just check my woman and I keep connection, but I can't take money myself and connect myself.
I mean, man, at least that, bro.
That's it. So, 876 491 8696.
Ah, Delroy, I say already now.
Yeah, dog, just connect me, bro. Is it?
I mean, man, I'm glad to see you, bro.
Keep yourself safe, bro.
I mean, always, man.
Okay, don't know if I'm going to violate anything, I can connect me, see you, see me? If I make it too loud, but I don't
Yeah,
know anything
man.
with my dog. Is it?
Alright.
Babe! Oh my God! Babe!
Just continue to surprise.
Wait, my phone. So, what happened? Why you come back so early?
But my son needs feel still now.
What happened?
I know I've been now spending a lot of time with you. And right now, so them are deploying me to the Middle East to go fight war. And really and truly, I don't want to go.
But babe, I don't understand because this is something you always want as a soldier for go on deployment. Now you get that. What the issue?
But babe, listen, remember saying the American war now for the you know. You get me and say, and me not really want to go over there. I don't know how long we going to stay. Remember, I don't now spend time with you already, you know. And I really want to spend time with you. See, I come surprise you because just one day I get come and ask me superior for one day.
And that is enough. I understand everything, like me there regardless. So just do what you have to do. Because after all, you did want this. Yeah, I get it now. It's gonna be okay.
So you're not going to miss me?
Yeah, I miss you right now. I'm happy to see you come on, but I understand. There is nothing else we can do than understand your job.
So I ask a question. What if when we go over there, can you know them thing the bomb or drop all them thing there? I mean, I lose all on them foot around my hand. You still go on me?
Yes, what do you mean by that shouldn't even be a question, baby? It's until death do us part. Why would I live for that?
I just want to know because I don't really want to have it in my head say you will cheat on me.
No, what? You're crazy. Never, never. That will never happen. Never. I'm there patiently waiting for you. I know you're out there. I do your part. You know, and me I do my part as well. I am waiting on you.
Because I'm really worried. I'm really, really worried. I'll be honest with you. Like, I'm really worried. Knowing that I'm not really spending time I'm supposed to spend with my wife. You get me, I say? So I think if you argue my bun.
You don't need to have that in your head.
That's very good.
But you tell your mommy, say you're going.
Yeah, I'm tell her she first must stop boy.
Oh, she good.
Yeah, she alright, so because I'm gonna just take out mommy out for dinner, so you can just go and get ready now because as I tell you before, I'm just there for your day.
You kinda make it sound scary now.
Well, man, I'm not poor man. I'm not be scared man. Just go and get ready man. Alright?
Okay.
Now to the Middle East and the expanding war. Tonight, Israel destroyed a key bridge in southern Lebanon as it battles Hezbollah, the armed Iran-backed group. More than 1 million people in Lebanon have fled the fighting.
Capo, Wagon.
Private.
And then if you see Wagon on the news with the whole bombing and...
You're not a soldier, you're not a soldier.
Really and truly?
You're a young lady.
Right now, at this point, I really don't want to go in. My woman decides say I'm not going. So any consequences...
Private, are you serious?
100% serious. So any consequences this may come with, I'm willing to take it.
Private, you know, your father and I were very good friends in a private.
I understand all of that.
And it's because of him why I have so much leniency on your private. And I try my very best with you. I try with your private. I try with you. Right?
Yes, Capo.
So private is two things. Is either you're going to go to the red fence or you're going to take a dishonorable discharge. The choice is yours.
Question is how much days though?
It's about 90 days on the red fence. Private, only 90 days.
Capo, I'm so sorry, but I'd rather to take the dishonorable.
As the young lady you are, understood.
My respect. Can't thank you no more, bro, fought for me, no, bro.
Bro, what you talking about, bro?
I respect you fought for me, no, bro.
Bro, you not even have to say 40. I say I'm a brother, you know.
I appreciate that, dog. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
But, based on what I want, bro, as I can tell you, I get dishonorable discharge, you know.
Still can't believe you say what you tell me like that, bro.
No, bro, I just not gone, bro, but could have been worse still.
True.
Because I could have go and lose my life, as it. So I rather know something there, so I'm find something to do.
I don't like guys. Can I do like every other police and soldier to go to security?
Yeah, that can be one plan, man. That's a good idea, is it?
Yeah. But tell you the truth, no, bro. I'm kind of glad, say, you know, bother go overseas and go fight war, you know. Because that now have nothing to do with it. And you could have lose your life. I remember say, yeah, Brandy out there, you know.
They won't talk about it, brother.
So you have a breaking news story.
I don't know, you know, I know she will be mad at me still now. But it have to be what it is, bro. Is it? Because I don't get kicked already. So she have to accept this, brother. Is it? Right now I know all my mother. Tell her I don't know what I do. But everything I'm for reason still. Is it? I better hide there, me, man.
I don't lie. But them probably will glad to say no bother going on. Because they will glad to have your life. That's the most greatest thing.
Yeah, bro.
But besides all of that, you know, bro, You know, so I feel like I'm not rate how you're going from him.
We don't know.
Brother, you know, so I see Brandy and she tell me, say, yo, you come down, you come look for she and your mother and carry them out for big lobster date and seafood boil and all kind of something for one night. And you not even call me, dog. So me and somebody.
Bro, man, we should understand, bro. I'm explaining to you and tell you because it seems like you need explanation, right? I realize I want to link you forward for me because I have my car and thing. I just bust my jump on and forward on, brother. You see me? So I don't like me I move away, bro, but I just the brain dog, I'm kind of there think funny thing. Cause I really want to go, brother, you see me? So I just that man, so nobody pray me, brother.
Alright. But
That's it.
good for see you still, bro.
Oh, I'm Nick, man.
Glad
I'm
to
a
see.
dog, you know, man.
No, you're not even for yourself, but
That's it. So what up on evening?
bro, right now, I just go hold and sleep, you know. And probably call one of my one girl them to come check me, you know.
Bro, I don't even like how I did the car still, brother, but no,
Bro, it beats alright, you know, have to worry yourself, it's good. But I go hold and sleep, you know.
I said that, man, just lock the door, man. I dig out, that's it.
Okay then. Hey,
Wow.
what's going on?
Sad to say, I'm no longer in the army.
1 minute you get ready for deployment and then the next, you know, in the army. I don't understand.
Babe, it's just that, listen, it's just that when we go, I'm already think about everything, think about my mother, think about you as my wife. I don't want to do it. So I'm telling you, say, I don't want to do it. So it's not. I have crew strike. So it's automatically betrayed. I just kick out the army. I'm there, so.
Oh my God, Delroy, alright. Me don't know if I'm upset. Me don't know how I feel. Because this now makes sense. Because you are the breadwinner, you do everything for the family. You asked me to quit my job and stay home, you know. And that is exactly what I did. I'm been the home. I live out for you. No, you quit your job, what we are going to do? All the bills are going to pay.
Remember, so we're in this together, you know? Remember, so we're husband and wife.
We in this together, yes, but financially, me not have the savings because of your money. So, the little savings that you have are going to run out on bills. So then what?
It's easier, listen. Just listen, it's easier for me to get an next job. I can't go to the police now.
It's going easier for you to get the next job when them kick you out of the army because of cheese strike, Delroy?
I can't answer a question.
What a question, Delroy?
After how long, I don't spend no time with her, how much in months? You're not happy some day home back now?
Babe, listen. I'm more than happy to see you there.
So why you be fussy about it and say, well, we're going to do? I have to figure it out.
Because for the fact that me I live off of you in a year, money, I do everything, that scare me. Because, alright, you know what? We're going to figure it out. We'll always figure it out.
If I ever do want secret work or something, but I'm going to figure it out.
We're going to figure it out. I'm sorry if I get upset, but me just this kind of catch me unexpectedly. I never expect to see him. I never expect the news then and at all. You know, call me, just show up.
Listen, I don't really dwell upon it right now because I really want to think about it too much. Just I could just so we can just move forward.
Okay. You eat?
No, I'm not eating up.
You're hungry?
I'm hungry, but I don't really feel for nothing.
You talk to your mother about this?
Not yet. I know she got upset about it, so I just have to prepare myself. feel right now, like.
Well, I think she could be like upset, but she could worry just as much.
Go talk to her, man. Just relax my brain like it was.
Alright, well, maybe give you some time to think. Maybe in a room. And while I think, just know some I love you a lot.
Alright, baby, appreciate your words, yo.
Okay.
We really say no. What happened? What really happened?
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I know said like 2 days before we go. So on news how much in soldier did or something. Big bomb drop. How much in soldier did and decide to go. So I just tell my superior say I not do this. I can't do it.
So what is about it?
Why mommy say because you know daddy. There are 2 things. Is that I'm never take 9th red fence or dishonorable discharge. So I just take a discharge and come here because I rather my life more than death right now.
Well, I'm sorry to hear about the soldier them. We get unalive because them have family too. But guess what? Me thank God you know better go. God answer prayer.
True man. Because I really and truly never want to go.
God answer prayer. You never figure from the beginning, but you know me couldn't stop you because you don't make up your mind already. But God answer prayer. When Jesus say yes, no man nor no devil can say no. You never figure.
True.
Else, maybe. Because you know better go, you know, so me I put in maybe. Me would have see you come down in a body bag. Me no know how me would have feel. Me no know how me could have managed that day. Me no know how me could have managed that to stand up and identify you, say you're my son. In a one bag.
But all I have to do still, I just find to work and go on do. Because the bill I always give you, you're comfortable. Me live comfortable same way, so at least I make something out of it before I give it up.
Don't worry yourself. God will provide another job. Don't worry yourself. God is in control of everything. As I said before, if you did to go, you would have go. But you never meant to go.
God answer prayer, man.
That's why you're here today, thank God. Take that off your mind. Just hope and pray for the best. You'll get a job.
I don't know what and everything.
Yes, you can go and go drink it. Juice in it too.
I want to talk to you about something soon. Can I have you?
Alright. Honestly.
Well, baby, I truly don't understand. This just feel like one could downgrade to me. I must be a soldier. And this reach one point when I do security right now. So people are come boy me on that something. I don't like them something.
Babe, we all know so this is gonna come with challenges. We dip on road all the time and see how people deal with security. You know so the challenges that are gonna come, so I mean I understand how you say this don't get discouraged.
I don't feel like I can do it, but I still I can because I must have to buy food, feet and everything. But
Right. And probably me just need to go out and get a work to or something.
I understand everything else I tell you, but even though I don't really want to work still, but I'll be good still because you don't know that one on can clap.
Well, even though you don't want me to, my feel because you know you get discouraged. Delroy, please do not walk away from this until we figure it out.
I try Miss Bailey. I don't cook upstairs.
No, me don't finish up this, but me never da expect you so early. Oh, you come back so early.
Babe, I must have my first day. They just show me around what to do or something, so I just left.
Oh, right. Let me stop out there. Me think you da go work until a certain hour.
So tomorrow I officially start.
Well, me can cook you something now, something quick.
Can you put your boss on?
Alright.
Watch you know. You can't go nice to look, you see me?
I'm the security boy, I'm the.
What do you mean I'm to me?
I mean, I can't go in
You
the
can't go nice to look, brother.
I'm the man, I feel my clothes them man, I'm the security boy. Feel like I want to come style man out and try to size up in there, I'm the.
Brother, I don't talk with you.
What do you mean by?
Don't talk with you.
Brother, I'm gonna make us can't do me, you can't buy my clothes and brother.
Brother, if you smoking, I can't get people in prison, brother. So pull up your pants and don't smoking and can't go in bad man.
No, pull up, no pants brother, I'm the.
You
Feel
can't
like
go in,
style
brother.
man.
What offer? You can't go nice to bad man.
What do you mean
you
I can't go in the store? I'm the
brother, I don't talk with you, brother.
Bad man, I'm never gonna raise and come back and come pretty out in the bad man, I'm the you. Easy yourself man. Yeah, move fight that thing there, brother. Let me have to look here.
I don't mind taking further, you know. You know how over big?
Yes, Mr. Anderson, how you doing?
Morning, boss. How are you?
Yeah, man, how you enjoying the work so far?
I'm going good, see what. You have some local customer, brother, where you can't take some disrespect because even this morning a customer come in pants and body, smoking, and I say, brother, you can't get a shop like that. And what disrespect and threat will me get.
Alright, to tell you the truth, you know, Mr. Anderson, really and truly, I don't have any policy against anybody coming here and dressing any sort of way. You know? Because my type of business, I facilitate scammers and all sort of people, so you can't really run with nobody.
So what kind of business you run? A party shop this?
My boss, let me explain something to you. I know you're a farmer, JDF soldier, you know? And if you can't really manage my work, you just tell me, make me know.
You know, boss, I just left your place. Like you alone security, see me? Because watch, I don't get disrespect on this work. And no matter how fuck, you don't pay me right amount of money already. So everything we just secure the one thing, man. And I hope one of them hooligan there. Don't deal with it.
Alright, yeah man, just get the things on list, man. Not a problem.
Why you doing?
I reach my limit now. I reach my limit. I could overfull how people are dealing with me. One boy that talk to me one way, brother, and time say I go for gun for come and shoot me and all sitting there. I never like that.
Yeah,
I
but
go to your boss and him can't split justice against it. But situation like this, brother, I don't know how to deal with it. What I know about, I have to kick down boy and kill boy and everything there.
Delroy, we're not in a training. And them something you got through. You know how to deal with them things here mentally, physically. You should know how to deal with it emotionally. Why you make this to get the best of you? And we need the money. Delroy, the amount of time you come home and complain to me or your boss talk to you when you're there at work. I see you deal with the people in the army. Eh, you could have kicked down nobody.
If I boss, he talk to me, say that's different, but he's a civil and talk to me.
All me say is you should know how to humble yourself and stay up on the work. See me go out and go get the job there. Me I go through my difficulties too, you know. Me walk off of the job? No. Because one hand cannot clap me there, so we do. But we not on the same page. You make all kind of decisions I don't know about. Alright, what you walk off of the job, what we gonna do? What?
Me, listen to me, sir. I'm listening to you good because you will get upset for me right now. It not make no sense to me right now. So listen to me, I do. I just change out my clothes and go have a drink and try to free my mind.
I like you, tell.
Don't
How
do
they
that,
take
tell.
but how you take solve the matter? How?
Just relax my mind like and think through it.
No, me not understand. Me not understand.
Just cook some food, my son come. You have to understand say this mentally, this is something I go through mentally in a way. So just we'll figure it out here.
Everything you build just turn to dust. You don't know about plate when food not cook. You know.
Well, go on, babes. You want me come over? Yeah. Alright, me so forward.
I'm too good at being bad, and it's so sad that you don't believe me. But I'm too good at being.
Me think I need to talk to Delroy.
Babes, me just come and you tell me something if you talk to Delroy.
Because at that me call if I'm frustrated, me cannot me brain all over the place right now.
So wait, you really call me out of my house because you want me to talk to Delroy?
Yes, and your friend, what wrong with that?
Babes, I must joke at me. Stop before this.
Because just me not in that mood. Like me honestly need somebody to talk to him. He might lose it. And me can't call him mother because he miss her. I say his mother not gonna take this lightly. She already disappointed in him. I be a foolish to see my going with him constantly leave a room bar. At night time, he get up say I go for walk and me looking, you sit down on the balcony with liquor. What go on?
Babes, listen to me.
Because I say me not in that mood. Just chill.
Just when we go chill, if you want a little bit and then we can talk to Delroy later, no, man.
It's like you don't care. Are you a friend at the end of the day, you know?
Babes, listen to me. I don't really rate Delroy that much, you know. To tell you the truth, I don't really rate him like that, you know. Because he not treat you good. See him make you hot up your head. Your pretty little head. Where you stress yourself for? So I'm telling you, you know, and me, should I be your man, you know? Full time, you know.
Because me hear what you have to say. I know all of that irrelevant right now. For friend's sake, just talk to him. Just see which part in there in a life right now as it relates to his mind because he not think straight.
What say I come from the soldier force, you know, so you're not really 100, you know.
Exactly. Me, I wonder if he have PTSD because he not talk to me.
Which war him fight for have PTSD? Him go east to fight war?
It no matter. There is so much you could have got through.
No, I go through nothing.
Nicole, you can talk to him, yes or no?
What are you saying?
I don't know which bar you saying, God, you know. But earlier I'm going to say I go change your Vanguard Road. I don't know when God, I just know say he probably don't got any key.
You know I go down on the key. Last time we go down on the key, you might want boy did catch up.
What eh?
Don't worry about that. You might have some you did catch up.
Nicole, you can do this favor for me and one time you ever ask you for do something for me.
Alright, me talking. Me call him and see which part in there.
Yes, and go to him and just see which part him they how he might do. Cause me don't want to dig too deep in it and then it look like me a nag him.
Alright. But you know what I mean if I talk to you about? You know say Fran Delroy come back home. Me no see your number pop up on my phone.
Jesus Christ.
No man, listen to me now. Me have to talk to him now. But me just want to talk about this. Remember saying, you know, Franny come home, Franny left for soldier work, you know. Me no see you call me, you not text me, you not come look for me, you not call me over. Me understand, but you don't want me come over here, you know. Because me know say if me come over here, I probably got a problem. And me not go fight Delroy, you know. Because I'm a soldier. And I know say he can't beat me up. But that no mean say if you have you to yourself.
Because all of this happen unexpectedly. I never that expect him to leave him work. I never that expect him to stay home. I never that expect none of that. I don't know if you deal with all of that. And then at the end of the day, respect. I can't depend on my phone 24/7 and talk to who? Who me I talk to? Who me I tell me say me I talk to? You know me not have no friend like that. At first, I never did that work. I just start work so I could tell him say me I got work. And I like now when I can maybe see in the evenings. But then I never have no excuse sometimes.
Listen to me. Look for me. Look for me. Just let me see you more often.
Alright.
Stop going somewhere. But make sure I see you more often, you know. You miss me, yeah? Bad dog.
Yo.
Where are you?
How much bad then?
You know, I don't blow still, but I'm gonna have a drink though, bro. Alright, I'm there, man. Link up, man. Dog, where are you? There, you know, thing good. Oh, man. Nothing. Yeah, man, I can't drink something, man. You know, Just give me one Red Bull. I'm not really in a drinking mood.
Brother, I can't pour that. You have to drink, brother.
Brother, when you did I be soldier, you know, me there road every day, you know. I know me have a woman in the yard, so me have to ease up on the drinking thing.
So you try to know no one.
Yeah, that's why I don't understand why you're there, so.
No, I just stress, brother, and there. I drink the pain away, dog. You see it?
Oh, go on.
Brother, from come out of the army, dog, come back, it's a rough thing for me, dog. I tell you. Yeah, dog. I'm going to boom, dog, and get a security work now.
Yeah.
Zine, and here I go on there. I couldn't take that, brother. Because when I'm dog, I box and go and kill people, dog. That security work bad man, boy, from boom upon anything, dog. I'm not upon anything, brother. You see me?
So when you're a soldier, the superior officer, them never boy up on thing.
Not different, brother. Not different, dog, but you don't know anything, brother. I'm just there go and walk one drink now and go and eat myself, you see it?
So you say you left your work? So, how Brandy feel about that?
Boy, she a rat, you know that, but she have to understand, dog, you see it? Just I go through a whole heap, dog, and thing, brother. I'm glad I come to them, I can show you full 100 of what I want, brother, you see me? I'm glad I shot me, dog. I don't know anything, brother.
So like how Brandy has stressed you out and thing. Why not just left her?
I'm just left for months, brother.
Brother, I must say, you know, few much months, you know, you don't have no woman, you know. At time for you the back of road and you have the woman a call on the phone. You understand?
Bro, tell you the truth now, I'm not really depend on that, dog. You see? You see, every time I'm there, for dog, I'm not spending time with woman, bro. I really want to make up things with her, dog, you see? I just, the work I stress me, dog, I want to get things right, dog, you see me?
Yeah.
So now you tell me about what I'm doing for woman, dog. I'm not rate that, brother.
Brother, me must say, me I brethren, you know. And me, if you listen to you know.
I hear what you say still. I hear what you say, I hear what you say.
Alright. Me just need come to check up on you still, but so what you plan for do since you left your work?
Something like pipeline, so I think about.
My mom's this a call me, you know.
That's the right thing, bro, isn't it?
Alright.
I just connect up on your brother, dog, and make you know what time it is, dog, you see it?
Yeah, alright.
Just go on the right thing, man, you see it?
Yeah. We link you.
Let me see if I wrote it, man, you see it?
Yeah.
Brandy, boy, you treat me bad. You treat me so bad. You know how long I not see a girl? That's me have to walk, I walk in the hot sun. I'm tired bad. I so water.
Do you want cold water?
Yes. First the body. Thank you. Asha, let my people here make water too. I first may I see that kind of brand water here.
Well, I first may I see them to a Delroy. I see care somewhere there. I not even drink none of them, I'm stick to.
I'm gonna see me and get it from.
No, supermarket. Me know you come to look for me. And I never invite you over, but I actually have something I want to talk to you about. I like your dear mother just. Auntie, don't bother with the foolishness. I know what you're going to say now.
So, only time I can come look for you when you invite me? If I say go, make me get up and go.
No, I know that me mean. Me just say, you see how this me talk about, me just say, me don't want to tell them my problem and then they be like, that's the only time we can have conversation in a car. See you stay.
That's why I not really got people yard. But because I don't see you how long, me know say me love my niece and I really have to come look for you. So look here. You see when you talk to me, fix up your argument and put on clothes for your argument. Because it seems like for your argument they always naked.
Alright, I'm sorry about that. You know, see me become actually I go through a lot. I believe actually because Delroy kind of get kicked out of the army. And it take a toll on him. Like he turn one junkie, he constantly got barred. When I live good no more, he barely talk to me. I don't know what's going on with him. I'm asking Nico if he talk to him and he not do nothing. Like he just in lost.
That not sound like a lot. That sound like an acre. So you mean you get kicked out of the army?
Because you know the little fight we are going. Them D1 ship him out with the intake. And him say him don't want to go. So, him get kicked.
That him tell us and get kicked out of the army?
Well, yeah.
So you know do your own investigation?
I don't think you would have liked about that to say it go. But me I say, the moral of the story is him there now. Him don't know what to do with himself. Him confused. It's like, him can't accept being a civilian. Like, it'll take a toll on him. Like, if you see him now, you're not WC Delroy. Like, in his face, you can tell saying depressed.
So you try seek some help for him? Carry him to the doctor and get some medication for him and put in a food and give him. So don't ask me for no more advice, because that's the only thing I can tell you. And make him calm down your nerves. Now you tell me say man stress out, girl.
Yeah,
and say man act weird.
Right. Me not gonna do that. Me not think that would be the right thing to do.
Can't bother me, I can't go my yard. Me never come in here for your ton load of problem. You say you have more than a lot. You have a lot of problem. But for your amount of problem you have is more than a lot. And more than an acre. Girl, don't hold on to me because me never come in here to laugh. You know how far me I walk I come from? You know which part me live, don't? And I walk, me tell you, say me walk come around here. And you want to come give me whole pasture. Me a whole pasture, so no. Me did come here to tell you for me look a problem. Me can't bother even tell you again. Look here, girl. You're there on your own. Because me don't tell you I put in your head. Say, a two-person they don't want a relationship. Anybody else, a third party. Me can't. You're
It's alright. Me never want to mention it, you know.
Auntie, what?
Delroy, what going?
Yeah, man.
Now where you come from? I shouldn't even ask that question. I still got you a big man.
So I'm
I'm gonna look for brandy. Such what me never see, you know.
Yeah, man. Good for see one, because long time I don't see that.
Me hug no.
So,
I don't say me love you though.
So, man.
You sure say alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
How your eye then look so?
How me they look? Look at me, I'm good, man.
You sure say alright?
Yeah, man.
Look here now, on a serious note now, me I invite you to come to church.
Yeah, I can do that one at a time, man.
Because they have fasting for today or Friday. You can come on Tuesday fasting.
Alright, all I do is tell Brandy to remind me to the card. Made space I really there so right now, so but can't tell for remind me.
What you say about your headspace?
You know really there so right now, but I can't tell for remind myself.
So which way your headspace gone?
But you understand what I try to say, no? You know what I try to say, you know what I say. So stop be that way up on me no, man.
Your headspace are there, so make your headspace come back. So me I tell you say, come to church with me Sunday no.
Sunday? You know, so I think I want to part of the Sunday, so I have to see that
Jesus
myself.
have mercy, God, you talk about party. I don't
I
know
want
long
to
chatting with you.
I want to promise my friend already, man. But I definitely will come Tuesday though.
Friend, me tell you already. Say some people is so filthy, the only thing they can see now you are dirt. So you're alright. Hold it, Delroy. Delroy, hold it. You hold it, Delroy.
To choose, I'm checking, man.
Alright, hold it. Choose friend more than church. Go on.
Brandon, let me ask you a question. Why your auntie asking so much question?
We did have the conversation about the situation. Because I mean, if not she, then who? Who me have to talk to?
This me always tell about, you know. This me always tell about. Why you bring my business guy road?
The one like a time I tell my auntie something me I bring my business guy road.
Listen, I say, man, you don't need to tell your auntie nothing about my business. I'm me there, so. And you are my wife, and me have to talk about this. Nobody is supposed to come to me.
Me and you not there, sir. You're there, sir, physically, mentally, me don't know where you're there. You not talk to me, you not tell me what going on with you. All you do, I turn to alcohol.
So what wrong with if I go burger alcohol one drink?
You not see nothing wrong with that? Nothing wrong with that?
What wrong with that?
Alright, make it swallow you up.
You know what? I think we really can't do this, you know? Because I mean, like the fuck say I tell people but me I go through in my life. You see me I say? Because me must say me that soldier and thing and really and truly you didn't even really sit down and really ask me what really happened to me. So I don't think really I go do this.
What that mean? What that mean? Because if you don't want me to tell people in your business, why you not find somebody and talk to them? Why you not find somebody and talk to? Because you need help, you know. You need help.
What do you mean by I need help?
You need some kind of evaluation. You need to go on psychiatrist or something.
So what you try to tell me? So I'm a madman now. That you try to tell me?
Delroy, talk to me like you have sense. You know, say nothing wrong with the behavior, nothing at all. You feel normal in yourself? This is exactly why you need to go talk to somebody. You know, notice the changes. Nothing not good with you. Me and tell us physically you're there, but mentally I don't know where you are. And you say me not talk to you. How much time I try to talk to you? Every time I cut the conversation short, me I go drink something. What else you want me to do? Me I got you with you, you know? Me I got you because me there so with you. Don't feel like whatever you got you now, you're not project it for me.
Because you see how far it gone now? Like my mad.
Me never say I'm mad though.
So what want to say psychiatrist for?
Because you're not okay. And you don't notice that. And when it's too late, you're gonna notice. At them time then nobody can go do nothing about it.
I'm a soldier. I'm still a soldier. All the men in the army. So listen what I say. You just figure this out. So the best thing I say for you right now, I'm just go down and take a stay for a minute until I figure this out. Because you don't know help to me right now.
Delroy, I don't understand you. I don't understand you because me think we in this together. And the simplest thing at me, you gotta ask me to leave.
I don't like me to put you out of place. I just want some space for just think this through myself.
Oh, so I don't want space too. I don't got you a lot too. I don't put up with all of this. Eh? You don't feel like say people are talk about you and you're drinking a bit. You don't feel like me I put up with that?
I'm responsible for nobody right now.
Delroy, if me cannot talk to you as your wife, you don't want nobody else talk to you. You just want to go on the road and act like you don't have no sense. Right? And me bring the situation to somebody for see if me can get a little advice. You gonna come and tell me say me to leave because you want space for that? Eh? This have to be something we think about a long time. But I'm not gonna stress it. Me we go on. You can't get a space. Cause I don't feel like you're not stressing me too.
So mama, you just come on and call me.
Me not laugh. You think me not see when you hide it? Me not laughing. Why every time I come a your yard, me must call you and make you know say me there? Oi.
Well, what if me never do your move?
Me what?
Your
Me your mother. Me not supposed to have to call you. Me is not your girl them where if one day come, that one day have to call you, me know say that one day go come, say you tell that one day finna come. You have a problem when we come up here?
No, mama, I don't have no problem, but me I say, what if me never do here? That waste of time come up, don't you?
Me hear everything when you do out the road. Look how your face look. Like I want junkie. Every bar you there.
Mama, where you get the story from? A lot of people tell me. I will look at one drink 1 and 2 times.
So if I lie, the people them a tell upon you. Oh, you're there and you're drunk and a bar you there. Me see it, you hide the buckle in your pocket. As me enter the doorway, there's some me see when you hide it. Me see it. So it don't make no sense to hide it because me done here already. Your name Stinker Road. Eh? And me send you go to school. Eh? And then when you left high school, me send you to college. You pass and go and do soldier work. Eh? Say you're a soldier. And you tell me say, because the people them fire you and you're not working with them anymore, you're not in the army, you take yourself to one drunkard, get a grip of yourself. Get a grip of yourself. A matter of fact, there are so many things me hear about you. Yeah. A matter of fact, where Brandy there?
Brandy down there. Brandy got a vacation in front of him.
Vacation? Which country? Or flight date? You too lie. See big man, you too lie. You tell too much lie. You figure to me your mother? And me, you fi tell the truth, that's anything. Any little thing you get in a trouble, me can know whether a liar or true them and tell upon you. You and Brandy left your two lie. Which damn vacation? So, let me ask you one question. The time you sit down and the thing fi carry down yourself and the logie up yourself like you want to live one little dirty, careless, logie life. What happened to the security work where you tell me say I go look about?
Mom, I tell you the truth. I get the security coming out, but I can't take some styling. I must say, I'm going to come out and I know about kick down boys or something. So I can't take that lifestyle because I'm not going to go upon it. I depend on that.
Okay, so true you did soldier. Remember say you don't have that the position there no more. You don't have that the work there no more. It's a different job. So if a security work you get as long as you work and I get your honest bread, it's okay. What you mean you can't take boy a style and this and that? I don't understand you.
Alright, but we don't know no one.
Where you drink and a junk and a go on like you're a jackass. You idiot? So you go waste for your education. All of them subject the way you make me pay for. Look here, let me tell you something. You see, if I saw your plan to run for your life, just forgot to me your mother. And that me I tell you. And you need to go apologize to Brandy. No wonder why she left you. And you don't want to tell me the truth. Me hear everything. But me never expect you that they tell me like me think that they tell me the truth straight up. Drinking is not an option. You have other solution. We can solve any situation. But you choose drinking. You're an idiot. You.
Mom, listen to it. Listen to it. I go through this mentally. Mentally, I go through this and everybody can manage it. I try to manage it. But even Brandy situation. You know why me and Brandy left? And I'm causing it. Brandy just not supportive. You get me I say? And all she care about are just the benefits that she get from being a soldier. That's not all she care about. And she decides she not do this some more. She not do it, she not steer her to stuff. Because I'm a soldier, she not get nothing from it. 9 to 5 now I can't help her. Because she want to tall years and all that something like.
So that can show you lose work cause all of this the drinking thing.
That's the problem. And
So you think drinking I go solve this?
Mom, no drinking I go solve it, but
Not stop drink. Okay, go and go drink.
Mom, listen.
Drink out your life till you get addicted to it. And you see what happen to you.
Mom, just listen to you. I go stop. I'll just pick up some pieces and find something for do.
You go stop.
Like, yeah, me I go do it, man.
Me hear you.
Just believe in yourself, man.
I can't believe in you. I know me not believe so you take up drinking. Anyway, me a hurry. Get a grip of yourself. Look into yourself. Look what you do. You damage yourself. You hurt yourself slowly but what? Surely.
I make a progress on again, man. I call her later.
Delroy.
What happened, bro?
Oh, sir. Delroy, where you do down here, sir?
Yeah, go on easy down. Have a drink, dog. You know some drink?
Bro, me think say you're gone, bad man. Gone fight war, bro.
Yo, come on, tell you what, bro.
No, sir, brother. Come here, say what day me say you say I go do one crime.
Big man thing still, dog. You know, say, leave him, but I go upon it, dog. You see me? I just tell it bigger it say, I don't do this, you see me? And thing, dog, and you take out the army and thing, bro, you see me? Forward back. But a security work, I do a security work and thing, and it still not work because I'm more and thing, dog, you see? I'm in a rule, so dog, you see what I say?
Like salt, this a follow you everywhere.
Yeah, dog, because right now I'm a girl left to bad man.
John, no?
So I just pay things, dog, so I'm just there, so I go and drink and pain, dog, because nothing to do for the bro, you see it?
Just brother.
You know, smoke like a man.
I mean, man, me a smoke, man. Me always have a smoke, bro. What is that? I need a light. Y'all a smoke, bro. I know, say
you want a drink, brother? Take a drink, man.
All I want drink with the still in, although I'm not really come as of a drink, you know. You see me? I have to look out of me eye them.
So, dog, what I really want to ask you still? Zin?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure that egg thing they were talking about the last time, because I feel like I just not jump on it.
Why?
Because nothing really going on now, you see me?
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna go around here, bro. I don't really egg myself, you know. You see me?
What do you mean,
Go on, myself, brother.
What?
Go on.
So, dog, you tell me say egg yourself, dog.
Yeah, I do my little egg thing too, if you not show up it too much, you see it? I'm sell strap, brother, I'm sell shot, brother, everything, bro. So I do my juggling in the street, you see me?
You have to be careful of what you do still, bro, you see me? You have to be careful now, because I'm a soldier, bro, a whole heap of things. I know and see dog, you see me, I'm a friend. Then if you be careful of them police and soldiers.
Yo, me govern, man, stop worry about me. You know what I said, though? Me all want to sell in the night. I mean, you can't forward with me, you know? Make you know a game.
No, dog. Just have to say something to you a while ago, bro.
Say a girl up the things, so, bro. Brother, remember say you're a soldier, you know?
I really want to be them things again.
Bro, remember say you're a soldier. Mad thing, man. Yo, watch you now. Now go in there, so for then lock and I'm going to do it.
Go in there.
Go in there, so.
Brother, come like a drunk already, dog. You see, lock up already, boy.
John no sky.
Lock up already, brother.
Alright, watch you
now. Go and eat that, but could just go and drink something first.
Yo, just drink off this and we're going to take milk. You see me? And we have to sell this quick and fast.
Dog, that's the reason when I follow this, bro. Because I want a piece of food and put on it, so now.
No, then we remember so far where I come from. We have to look out for you, see it? Just watch for me. I'm going hungry.
Yeah, me G.
Good.
Yeah, man, there, man. Boy, man, I work hard and protect themselves and now get no pay, you know?
So you say have 100 pack?
Long time, man. Man, I work that long time, brother, and save it. You feel like?
Yo, check this.
I really saw that. I work a long time, man, G.
See it, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, nothing, man. Believe, man.
Yeah, man, I real machine, me G. No say nothing, man. Nah, man.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man, you don't know I street, me G, you know?
You know, nobody else want to stop.
I mean, enough time, dog, they let me but show me no know no link and I job me buck up in here, me see and I say, yo, right, move, you see me?
This is a legit thing.
Nah, man.
I know, say already.
Never tell her that. Move me, because I don't know, say that be strap, I be cut quick, you see me?
I mean, man, the right.
Nah, man.
Alright, James, see you remember me. Me I go just make you take metro taxi, because I call him already in Dunning Road. So just take him taxi and I call link you later, yeah?
Okay, baby.
So you can probably, your pizza out, you know?
I know, it's okay.
Alright, later, yeah?
I love you.
Alright.
Dog, you know, say I want prevent me calling link about though.
What up there now?
And the boy Nick.
Rum team.
Man, they link with FB, brother.
Link with my B?
I mean, me tell you, say I saw them and the tan, brother, and love look friend, their friend, girl, and they believe me.
You sure what you said to me? A true, bro?
Right, man. Me see with me two eye them.
You know, from what they do, see boy move sideways still, brother.
Now me tell you, if you not trust them and the youth and see the story come to bump.
I've got to do something about this now.
So what you know?
Yeah.
I game is strap.
I mean, dog, oh, to what you about, dog. You don't even know about man. Respect for your temper, this dog. As me I say.
That man, bro, remember where I come from far, you know.
Car in all that night, you know, damn, I'm dirty, you know.
I say, boy, always love a little corner shop them, you know, when play domino, you know.
Dog, you know, some of them can jump on the bike, dog, but
No, sir.
I don't even want to get involved in this, dog. You see it?
Just do right, man, and just
Yo.
link me back. You hear it?
Yeah, I hear about it, man.
See?
You hear me say?
Just don't mess up, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, babes. Yeah, man, I left me yard right now. Yeah, man, me so forward, man. Yeah, man, later.
Yo, Nick, what are you doing?
How are you around there, sir?
Yeah, you have to know that one.
A long time miss you, man. How are you going?
Yeah, you have to see one.
What do you mean, how are you going?
You everything we are going to do. Fletcher tell me everything.
Fletcher? You talk Fletcher who used to go to school with Eggy?
Yeah, man.
What him could I tell you now?
Until me say, you're not wrong for dead, your friend your woman. I'm gonna rate that as it.
Listen to me, I say. A bad mind Fletcher, a bad mind, bro. And because when I time them, the woman did a push up himself for me and one thing lead to another and then I start talk.
Say nothing that wrong.
No, it's not really wrong. I know my fault the woman like me, dog. Bro, you don't know what woman think go, bro. You remember the song we go, them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
I'm glad I know a song. You know, popcorn song, you say, friend like these, who need enemies. You know that song, they do?
Bro, I don't understand what you say right now.
That's what I say. I'm just be straightforward. I think I know, say I am branding a business.
Bro, who could I really tell you a thing like that?
So me I talk, no raise the voice of him, bro.
Bro, listen to me, I say. Nobody can tell you a thing like that, bro. I must say, I come from far, you know.
I know, so I not to cuss body youth, I'm not tell you to what I night youth.
Bro, I not even like how you talk to me, you know. If you tell you the truth, you know. So if anything, little more, because me have to go link me, woman.
I don't know what talking about, everything good, man.
You recognize this phone here?
I think so, yeah.
Well, actually, we get it from scenes of crime. You know what that mean?
Not exactly.
Well, a Nikai. You know Nikai?
Yes. You can just, what happened?
Scenes of crime is no good news. Actually, Nikai is no longer here.
I just know say that and it can tell me what happened. What happened?
Would you, I mean, anybody that would unalive him, you don't have any idea?
No, Nika not trouble nobody. Nika nobody not have nothing. Me not, well, me not know. I don't know. Yeah, Nika.
Miss Brandy,
Yes.
listen to me. You see this phone here? I have loads of information. You're a married woman. You understand?
Okay, and what does that have to do with this?
But I just ask you, let me be blunt. Listen. I need you to come and talk to me. Just talk to me. Have a whole heap of information here, which both of you, which I don't even want to bother get into it. You're a married woman, and I'm asking you the question again. Would you think of anybody that would unalive him?
No, maybe my husband, like you keep on saying, I'm a married man. But what would my husband have against Nika? We're not together anymore. I don't know.
All right. Now we're getting somewhere. That's grounds for him, that's your husband, to commit murder.
No.
Eh?
That is crazy, Delroy. That don't make no sense. Nika and Delroy were friends. They're my friend.
Oh, okay. You see, we're getting somewhere. All right, listen to me. Never tell you one. I want you to do something for me. Listen to me, man. Listen to me. I want you to do something for me. All right? And based on what I see here, I now put point blank saying about what we read here, you know, I don't think you're that, you know, of a suspect much. But what I want you to do, I want you to get back close to your husband.
Me cannot do that.
What do you mean you can't? Listen,
cannot do that.
Listen to me. Wait. That a simple thing that, man. You can't get back close. You don't watch movie?
Of course, watch a movie.
Things like this happen all the time, you know. I mean, come on, man. Come on. You can do it, man. We need to apprehend this person, man. He's the #1 suspect.
Which you're the one?
I'm a depend, brother. You know see me a shout here, bro.
Brother, no reason for us to find one bad man. How you feel like? You feel like me a boy man?
Brother, me a shout here how long for me thing, bro.
What you say?
Me lend him my strap, dog. You're supposed to give me back my strap now. You know do the crime. You didn't even tell me say you do the crime. I have to see it on news.
You think me talky man? Yeah, you know something I go do it 30.
So like a crime dealt with, what go on?
You know say dog. Nothing I can't get back on any dog.
You mean me can't get back my strap, bro?
You see something dog, I listen to you good bro. You see girl, my girl kill right now dog, you see me? So
No,
I can't get
brother. Me don't talk about things say yo. I bet you alone we are dealt with. Me not where you depend, you know.
Yeah, but man, kill a girl to dog, I girl this me to dog.
Bro, you have to go get your own strap because I go on my strap now. And I don't want to make your friendship mash up so you can strap, bro. You see?
So you say you not rate me?
No say me not rate you, bro. But woman killing thing, brother, I'm not depend that.
You know the pan about, listen me I say, you know the pan about me the pan up bad man. Someone do the murder there first and then make you get the thing bad man.
Bro, get your own strap because I'm going to need my strap like today.
Oh, say I want your thing.
You know what I mean if me I want my strap, bro?
Yeah, I want your thing.
You mean, bro, I want my strap, bro, I have to do my thing.
Alright, see it up.
Babe.
You must say don't baby, you know.
Please, me sorry about everything about Mama want you, but me sorry.
Well, no, you can't listen to me, man. You know, I'm glad to come to. I'm not a get up off the ground. You think me know where you're going with?
Where me are going with it?
Listen to me, man. You think me know you say you're Nika did there?
Me and which Nika I did? Where you get that from?
Well, listen to me, man. Nika is no more problem to me now.
What that's supposed to mean?
So here we go. I come for murder, you know.
What do you mean by you come for murder me?
What do you mean? Come back right, sir.
I always know say you lose your mind.
I'm not a go down for your knee too. Go down for your knee.
Delroy.
Yo, go down for your knee.
No.
Enough evidence, boy. Don't move. No. You all right?
Yes, so actually the report is that this gentleman, you know, is a known, you know, police, a farmer, a soldier. You know, he's a hoodlum and stuff. So actually, in a recent murder that occurred and stuff, he was responsible for that. So actually, you know, under proper investigation, you know, we police work already, you know. So actually, a little stint, you know, say me work alone. See? As a man then call alone. So you know, say you just go feed and deal with the case. You understand? So actually, you know, the place is more safe, and now we have one hoodlum off the street. So, you know, actually, big up myself, you know, and stuff. We know still, so, yeah, man. One more off of the street. See it there.
Silent battle. No one see. Them only see the uniform. Them never see the broken man. Me fought a war they never knew. Gone near, but soul they far. Big man crying with invisible scars. Me out there, spirit weak. Every night, the demons speak. Fallen soldier, distant memory. Because of the madness, me woman gone. Me turn from a loving man to a rumba. Glassing on, fi try numb the pain. Friend turn snake, life collapse. Just disappear, just like that. One wrong move, everything shift. No, me stuck in a this empty abyss. Yeah. Them say, hold on, better days will come. But every night me fight like this one, I go down. Every night me fight like this one, I go down. Every night me fight like this one, I go down. Me fought a war they never knew.
Alright, so big up on yourself as always. You don't know. And it's the end of the video. And you know, normally I like to talk to you, I like to make you know what I want. I like to make you know the direction of where we're going with this thing, because it's been a long while since we've been doing YouTube. Over 5 full years. Since 2019, December 2019, and now it's 2026. So this year is going to make 6 full years, and it has been a journey. It has been a journey, one with ups and downs, with mostly ups though. So we give thanks to that. As it pertains to the direction of where we're going, you know, each year we kind of take on a new task of what we want to do, and I think one of the tasks that we want to do, even though we're kind of 3 months into the year, is that we want to fully focus on creating more content. Because, you know, since the hurricane, we have not been creating enough content, and it's because of a number of challenge that we face from then till now. But we feel like we're at the point now where we kind of go over that hurdle, where they are cause if we not create as often as possible. So we want to get back into creating more movies for you guys, and also we want to acquire some new equipment, because, you know, we shoot so often, so the camera them kind of take a beating. So we have 2 where we want to repair the screen, and we want to buy 2 brand new ones, because, you know, one of the things where Richard Brown Films is all about is always upgrade, getting new equipment so we can give better quality filming. So we want to ensure, say, we buy some more lighting equipment, because some of them did damage in our hurricane. So we want to buy back some lighting equipment. We want to buy 2 brand new camera. We want to buy back a tripod. We want to buy a brand new computer. We want to buy a brand new drone. So there's a lot of things that we want to acquire going into this year. So we definitely know it's kind of difficult sometimes to do it with what we make on YouTube, because we have to make sure so we take care of everybody who take part in our movie, and we have to live out of it. So it's a process. So everything we make kind of go back in our way. So what we want to implore persons who are watching me is that if you want to help out financially in getting some new equipment, in terms of, because as we said, we want to buy 2 brand new NICON camera, so we want to invest in that, and we want to get some other things to complement what we are doing, because now it's been quite a time, what 2 years now my son into this, and the fact that we both are edit and a shoot, sometimes it's hard to use the one computer, so we want to invest in getting another computer, and the one we have to kind of get old too. So we want to replenish the arsenal and get some new things. We want to get some more better microphone too, if we can improve from the audio. So there's a lot of things that we want to do going into this year, because part of our vision from back then, and it's still now, that we want to get our content into other places. So we want to diversify our content and try to get them on other streaming platform. But in order to do that, we have to step up on the quality. Also, we would love to add new actresses and new actors, but preferably if they are in the western region like Westmoreland, because sometimes it's really difficult when people are come from other parishes. It's easier when them in a Westmoreland, because when they're Westmoreland you can actually go home at night time. Now if you're coming from outside of the parish, then me actually have to ensure say me find accommodation, we put up people, which that sometimes is a challenge within itself. But nonetheless, we still go and do what we are doing, and we still give God thanks. So if you're interested in helping the movement move forward in terms of financially, reach out. And if you feel like you want to invest, I don't talk like a man who have been lost money and say, I want to invest in a Richard Brown film. No, I talk about people who have real money and want to invest in the company. Link me up, man, I will see what can go on. But honestly, I'm tired. I want them to reach out and then nothing happen, because a lot of people feel like when we say invest, it's like maybe 100,000 Jamaican, which in this day and age, that's not a lot of money to do what we do, because a movie we are make. So it really take money. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we are do. If you can contribute financially, always share the video up, because that is a very important way in how we get people to watch the video. When the video send all over the place and people watch it, and the algorithm take it and push it into some new market. So big up on yourself, continue to do what you guys do best, which is supporting Richard Brown Films. One love.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.